It's a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC. Corners are traded in for curves. The GLC has emerged with a C-Class inspired cabin and sophistication and a taste for the wild. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, adaptive suspension, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, remote engine start, power tilting steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and automatic transmission. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,